Should you cancel your nail appointment, and should hairstylists keep cutting hair? Despite growing concerns of the spread of COVID-19, there hasn't been much guidance for customers or cosmetologists.
Yeah, we've received dozens of tips and questions about why they're allowed to stay open when other businesses must close. KXAN investigator Avery has been looking into.
At Deco Blue Salon,
I like this stuff. I love it.
it's all about the service. That's why there's never really more than 10 people in the little shop at a time anyway.
Wiping doorknobs down. We're not reusing capes. We're not reusing smocks. We're asking clients not to bring in friends or children.
Owner Declan Channing says he's staying an arm's length away, and he's washing his hands several times throughout just one appointment.
We've also waived our cancellation policy because currently is an hour-by-hour thing that's affecting us.
He says it's scary for a small business owner of such a hands-on business. So if they get guidance to close their doors, they will. We talked to countless small salons today who say they're taking similar safety precautions, and as long as they're keeping less than 10 people inside their facility at a time, a city spokesperson says they can keep operating. But when it comes to large spaces like galleries where stylists can rent out of, there's a lot more questions than answers.
I'm still in much more close proximity to people than you are in a restaurant or bar.
One of these stylists told us she's pushed all of her appointments for her clients' safety, but the rent for her space at the large gallery salon is still due.
We're not completely isolated. We should still share bathrooms, break rooms, laundry rooms, and the common waiting area. In those areas, there could be upwards of 30 people in the hallways.
The city's website lays out guidelines for businesses, but there's no specific guidance for the spa and beauty industry. And the Texas Department of Licensing and Regulation says all they can do is urge business owners to follow health and sanitation guidelines.
What I really hope most of all is that there's more clarification on what the parameters of social gatherings are. Barbers and stylists, we fall into a special category where we really do get looked over.
In Austin, Avery, KXAN News.
The response from the industry nationwide has been across the board as well. Beauty company Sephora has closed their retail stores until April 3rd. Meanwhile, spa chain Massage Envy said right now they'll just be closing in places where local or state governments mandate it.